Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your device model and iOS version so you know which fixes apply. Clean the true depth camera and remove any case or screen protector. Dirt or misalignment often breaks detection. Once done, check Face ID settings and camera permissions, then restart the phone to clear transient errors. If prompted, sign out of Apple ID and sign back in to refresh biometric services. These steps remove common obstacles and prepare your device for deeper troubleshooting. Next, reset Face ID from settings Face ID and passcode. This clears corrupted data and forces a clean enrollment. Enter your passcode, tap Reset Face ID, and immediately start the setup. Position your face 10 to 20 inches from the camera and follow the circular prompts while rotating your head slowly. Make sure ambient lighting is even and avoid backlight. If the setup fails repeatedly, try creating a second appearance after the first enrollment completes to handle glasses or masks. For final steps, update iOS to the latest build. If the problem persists, back up and reinstall iOS via recovery mode to remove software corruption. If Face ID still won't enable, run diagnostics in settings or use the camera app to see if the true depth sensor and infrared components function. If the front camera shows abnormalities, suspect hardware, book an authorized service visit. One key troubleshooting tip: test the front camera in bright and low light to determine whether it's a sensor failure versus a software issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.